I think comics are kind of intimidating. Halimbawa, as much as I say I'm a big Marvel fan, to be completely honest, most of my exposure to Marvel are not through the comics, but through other media and other forms like movies, animated series, the video games. Kasi the fact na a lot of these stories are ang tagal-tagal na, ang dami-dami na, tapos sobrang kalat nung kwento nila. I don't know where to start and how to approach reading them, especially since ang dami na nilang version. Unlike halimbawa, kapag manga kasi, mas familiar ako sa manga kasi maliit pa lang ako nag-anime ako eh. So alam ko na pagka-anime, usually, galing lang siya sa isang manga. Tapos usually yung manga, hindi naman sila wala naman siyang iba-ibang version or iba-ibang interpretation, whatever. Unlike halimbawa X-Men, na I really love X-Men. I think X-Men is a groundbreaking show, especially for people who feel like outcasts, like queer people, di ba? As much as gusto ko na itry na magbasa ng comics, I don't know where to start, and I think it's kind of daunting. Too daunting of a task. And it's much simpler kasi to watch an anime series or a review or a summary video sa YouTube na alam mo yun. Minsan natatakot ako na ay baka i-judge ako na ay hindi ka pala tunay na fan. Ay fake fan ka kasi hindi ka naman nagbabasa ng source material, hindi ka naman ng comics, 'di ba? Pero masisisi mo ba ako kung wala naman akong access dun sa comics, 'di ba? Na sometimes nakaka-frustrate siya kasi I feel like there's some level of gatekeeping with such a community. Although hindi naman yun lang, and it goes with all types of communities naman. There's always gonna be some people who are into gatekeeping. But for me, who is someone na medyo novice pagdating sa comics and immersing myself in this manner, in the source materials of all these amazing stories. Siguro, maybe someone can help me. Like, how do I go about reading the comics? Where should I start? Ano yung proper sequence? Kasi parang hindi siya kasing common as, halimbawa, there are a lot of people saying na this is the right order of the MCU movies. Diba? Mas madali siya eh. Kasi, syempre, nagkaasama na sila dyan. And kung nakasubscribe ka sa Disney Plus, diba? Baka naman, hindi to sponsored ha, pero Disney, nako. Charot. Yung, alam mo yun, na if you're a new fan, it's so easy to jump in and get immersed and understand the whole story. Kasi, nandun na lahat. Na hindi ko alam if there's also such a thing with the comics. I don't know, baka meron. Sabihin nyo sa akin, di ba? Pwede naman, willing naman matuto. Pero, yun lang. Yun na, gusto ko lang mag-grant. Kaya hindi rin ako kasing avid na manga reader. Kasi, mas madaling manood ng anime. Dumarating lang sa point na minsan kapag sobrang invested ka na dun sa kwento, gusto mo malaman anong susunod na mangyari. Pero hindi pa siya tapos i-animate kasi mahirap mag-animate. Yung dalawang kapatid ko nag-animate. So, naiintindihan ko yung gaano ka-intensive yung labor na kailangan to produce an animated series, an animated show. So, is there like a beginner pack or starter pack pagdating sa comics? Or let's stick with X-Men since yun yung pinapanood ko rin ngayon. Case in point, na ang daling mag-immerse dun sa isang media. Kasi nagawa kong i-binge watch yung buong X-Men animated series noong 90s in preparation for X-Men 97. Kasi nandiyan na sila lahat eh. Sa Disney Plus sila. So, syempre, gusto ko rin mapalalim yung kaalaman ko pagdating dun sa lore. But I feel like there's a monolith nasa pagitan ko at nung source material na what are your thoughts about that? Kayo rin ba, do you also feel na naka-intimidate yung going into the comic side of things? Am I really a geek? Am I really a fan if hindi ka nagko-comics? So parang yeah, yun lang, some thoughts lang, and baka nakarelate kayo. So yun lang, nasa muli.